A range of emotions for our Jamaican athletes participating at the 2024 Olympic Games, with moments of disappointment tempered by exhilarating triumphs. Let's dive into the highlights for this day. Now let's start with the gold standard, Roje Stona's historical achievement. In a moment that will be etched in history forever, Roje Stona delivered a performance for the ages in the men's discus throw. With a spectacular throw of 70 meters in the fourth round, Stona not only secured Jamaica's first gold medal of the Games but also set a new Olympic record. Now, Jamaicans will be able to hear the national anthem being played at the Paris Olympics due to that gold medal. And to note that he also created history. Stoner's gold is a monumental breakthrough. Following Campbell's bronze in the shot put earlier in the week, Stoner's victory recalls the achievements of previous Jamaican throwers like Frederick Dacres and Kai Chang, who paved the way with their success in youth championships. His victory is a testament to his skill, determination, and the growing success of Jamaican athletes in field events. So once again, big up Stoner. This is very inspirational for Jamaicans, as now many more will know that it's okay to go into field events. You don't have to stick to the sprints or the track. Now let's speak about the other events. Alright, let's speak about who advanced and who didn't. Let's start with Wonder Kid, Jaydon Hibbert, only 19 years old, and he demonstrated exceptional talent in the men's triple jump, qualifying for the final with a jump of 16.99 meter. His impressive performance earned him third place in Group B, setting the stage for a thrilling final. Now let's move on to hurdle, the 110-meter hurdle. We have Orlando Bennett, Hansle Parchment, and also Rasheed Broadbell in the men's 110-meter hurdles. Orlando Bennett clocked a personal best of 13.09 seconds to advance to the finals. His semi-final performance, a blazing 12.98 seconds, positioned him as one of the top contenders for a medal. Nobella's journey to the final marks a significant milestone in his career, highlighting his resilience and faith. Reigning Olympic champion Hansle Parchment also made his way to the final, finishing third in his semi-final with a time of 13.19 seconds. Alongside him, we have the national champion Rasheed Broadbell, who secured his spot with a winning time of 13.21 seconds in his semi-final, showcasing Jamaica's strong presence in the hurdles. Now we also have another history-making moment with Romain Beckford. Now he became the first Jamaican to qualify for the high jump final at the Olympic Games. So great job, everyone. His jump was 2.24 meter and he's among the top 12 qualifiers. This marks Jamaica's first high men's jump finalist since 1956. Then Ernest Leighton Ernie reached a height of 1.96 meter in the final, placing him 15th. Now for the 100-meter hurdles for the women, it was smooth sailing as we have all of them qualifying for the final. We're talking about national record holder Akira Nugent, two-time champion Daniel Williams. They both won their first round heats, while 2019 World Championship finalist Janet Broad was third in her heat. So that's all of them progressing to the semifinals. So for Nugent, her time was 12.65. For Danielle, her time was 12.59. And for Brown, her time was 12.84. Now it's good to note Toby's time, the Nigerian who is doing great thing in the sport. She won her heat in 12.49 seconds. So it's possible that Jamaicans will medal in this event. And we can't forget the defending champion, Jasmine, who had the fastest qualifying time with 12.42 seconds. I think that's it for all those who are advancing. When it comes to those who didn't make it to the next round, we have Navaskai Anderson. He finished fifth in the men's 800 heat 5. And now he has to do the repechage for another chance to qualify for the semifinals. We have Yona Knight Wisdom. He just missed qualification for what would have been his first ever Olympic final in the 3-meter springboard event at the Paris Olympics. So yes, Jamaicans in diving. Pretty great, right? No, he actually finished 13th with 412.40 points in the semifinal, just one place and a mere 4 points out of the top 12 who will advance to the medal rounds of the games. Though he didn't qualify automatically, he's on standby as a reserve just in case of any withdrawals. Now also, Adele Tracy, she finished 11th in Heat 2 of the women's 1500 meter repechage, so she will not advance to the semifinal. Now for the 400 meter hurdles, we have Malik James King. He finished with a 7th place in semifinal 2 after clipping the last hurdle. So I think someone stated that he was doing pretty well, but because he clipped that, hurdle, it took him to 7th place. He faded to 7th place. So sadly, he won't advance to the final. But, we have to big him up, because if he didn't clip that, who knows. We also have Jaheel Hyde, who finished 7th in the semifinal of the men's 400 meter hurdles and therefore will not advance to the final. Jordan Scott, he performed in the Group B and he finished 9th. That's the triple jump, and his jump was 16.36. So he got 9th place in Group B and 24 overall, and therefore will not advance to the final. Now, also it looks like for the 400 meter straight, we don't have any Jamaicans advancing in that one for the women. So we're looking at Janelle Bromfield, Nikisha Price, and Williams. Stacey and Williams. No, it was stated that Nikisha Price, who had the world lead time, she's probably exhausted because she had a long college season. So Stacey and Williams, she got 7th in her semifinal. Janelle Bromfield got 8th in her semifinal. And Nikisha Price, she finished 4th. So sadly, we won't see them in the final. And I think the last update for this day has to do with the 200 meter for men. We have Brian Level. He failed to get past the semifinal, so therefore he won't be in the final. So we have no Jamaicans in the final for the 200 meters. Brian Level finished 8th in his semifinal in 20.93 seconds. So some are stating that it's very possible that Noah Lyles will get his double and that America will have a sweep in the 200 meters. It's possible if Tobago doesn't break that. So we'll see what's gonna happen. We'll keep you informed as usual. All the best to all the athletes, and thank you so much for representing our Likatalawa country. Now, Jamaican medal count is now at 5. We have 1 gold, right? 3 silver and a bronze, and we're now 27th on the medal table. So that's it for now, guys. We hope you enjoyed the update. It was a packed day with some wins and, some not so wins. But all in all, a very good day. Bless up, take care of yourself and each other. And tomorrow is going to be exciting. We'll let you know what's happening as usual. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Blessings always.